I don't think in any time of Islamic history we had such a challenge, which we need to unite ourselves now as Muslims, especially Muslim scholars, to fight. And here I would encourage Muslim governments to have scholars, councils of scholars, laying the policies how to fight ISIS. ISIS is a religious group, is an Islamic group. You cannot fight ISIS based on security alone. You cannot stop the spread of extremism based on the counsels given by security experts or intelligence experts or defense experts. You have to have Muslims, scholars telling you how to save the minds of our next generation from being brainwashed. War starts in the minds of people.